To record a meeting, click the More Actions button in the meeting toolbar. In the menu that appears, click Start Recording. The recording should begin straight away or after a couple of seconds, depending on your connection. Be aware that only one person can record a meeting, and that person will be the owner of that recording. Whilst recording, anyone can then stop the recording. To stop the recording, click the More Actions button and then click Stop Recording. The meeting recording will capture all video, audio, and anything shared on screen. Recordings are processed and made available after the call or meeting. If it's a standalone call or meeting, the recording will appear in the chat app, in the conversation history of the chat or meeting. If the meeting took place in a channel of a team, the recording will appear below the meeting in the meeting thread.